Okay, so today I'm going to drain or flush out my hot water heater. I've got the end of the hose outside here so we can see if anything silly comes out. And the reason I'm doing this, it's been making gurgling noises. And so I'm assuming there's sediment in the bottom of the tank. Here's my hot water heater. It's a gas heated 40-gallon tank. All I've done is hook my garden hose here at the bottom, and it's got a valve that can be opened with a flathead screwdriver, and then it's recommended that you turn the heat setting down to vacation, which I've done, and it takes a couple hours probably for the water in the tank to cool down. And just in case if anything were to go wrong, the cold water shut-off to the tank is here. Okay, so this is the first time I've done this, so I thought this will be either educational or comical. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and open the valve. Alright, now we're going to run back outside and see what's coming out of there. I've left the cold water on, so the cold water is refilling the hot water, and as I suspected, there is sand, looks like, all kinds of little fine sediment coming out of here. That's a good shot of that. And that water is still pretty hot. I watched a few YouTube videos before I even attempted this, and they suggested let it run until it's clear. So I'm going to let it run. And so then whenever it runs clear, I'm just going to come back in and righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, I'm going to spin this to the right to turn it off.